These things are dog shit slow.
Oh my god. So we're at some Walmart in Georgia right now, and we had to stop and get a dongle real quick to play music through Jimmy's truck. But what's up, dude? How you doing?
Oh, yo, I'm full tilt right now.
If you guys didn't know, we were at Adam LZ's open house for the past week, which is why I haven't posted anything. I've been working really hard just trying to get those videos done for Adam, which they are all finished. If you guys haven't checked those videos out, be sure to check them out. Did I do a good job, Jimmy?
Dude, you did amazing. You did so good.
Thank you. Yeah, no, we had a blast, and now we're just starting the long trek back to Connecticut.
We're in Georgia, bitch.
We're in Georgia now. So we've been doing the drive, or all the drives, since this past week with no dongle in the car, so we can't listen to our music. So we finally had to get a dongle. Look at the fresh LZ merch. LZ coming out strong.
Pop this shit.
We're gonna hop back in the car. We're gonna leave these things for cart boy to pick them up and head back home, or start heading back home. You know what? All right, stop number 1. Starting to get colder.
There's been a lot of stops here, kid.
Stop number 1 on this camera.
On this camera.
Stop number 1
you
on
got a
the
late
camera.
start.
Yeah, but it's getting cold.
It sucks. So like, the going down south is nice. You know, it gets warmer and warmer.
Yeah.
Like
going back up.
going back up sucks because like not only do you get more and more tired and miserable, but you get colder
and colder and colder.
So you're just like, it's a lose-lose.
Yeah, it sucks. So we're like 20 miles or like 25 miles from south of the border, but we gotta fill up, and then we're probably gonna stop at south of the border too, just because
you have to.
That's the spot. You gotta.
Gas
and so we'll check in there.
See some cool, authentic Mexican things.
Yes.
I'm so excited. Yay.
All right, so we're at south of the border. We're just kind of driving around the strip. There's really not much to do at night. They closed down the main store.
At 9 o'clock.
I know. It's like, come on.
Like, grow up. Like, come on.
We're just kind of
this is it.
Cruising around.
No, we're not. This is it.
Yeah, it's pretty bummy.
I wonder if any part in history was this place popping, or if it was always kind of just this like.
It had to have been, and then it just died off at some point.
And then they just like won't let go of the past.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching today's vlog. See you next one.
It's like stop number 3 or 4 now at this point. It's about 4 a.m. Starting to get really tired, so I'm gonna try and do some push-ups, see if that'll help. I did it at the last stop.
You can do a lot of push-ups. I'm like really surprised. Do you do that when no one's watching?
No.
Is that a thing?
No, I don't. I'm just gonna do that, see if it'll wake me up. So.
Alright, see how many I can fucking do. You're gonna fuck me up. Ready? Ready, go. How are you doing this? I feel like the fat kid in PE class. I'm gonna get picked last. Fuck.
That is a good way to stay awake.
That dude was so concerned.
We're filling up, and we'll hit the road again. I think we got like 6 hours left. Not that bad.
It's not dark anymore.
Finally.
10:41. We took a little nap. Now we cruising. We got 3.5 hours away. And then Mike can see his big surprise.
I'm so stoked for this.
I keep looking over and seeing him on his phone, just like staring at the photo.
So, if you guys remember, like a couple weeks ago, I brought the Soarer down to Justin at Morfab Industries to have him build me an exhaust, and he's finished it, and he's been sending me photos, and it's just in time because we're like 3 hours and 40 minutes away from getting back. So when we get back, I can hop over there. We can take a look at the car.
Sick.
So
what'd you do? Downpipe back or like cat back or what?
So I already had a downpipe and a front pipe, like a HKS front pipe. So those are already straight, and then the rest of the car is full 3-inch straight pipe.
So now it's a true 3-inch back.
Yep.
Nice.
So it'll be
dope.
I hope it's not too loud, but
it's a JC. They're never too loud.
I think it'll be perfect. So I'm super stoked. Okay guys, so me and Jimmy just got back to his shop in Connecticut. The E30 is chilling right here. Jimmy ran home just because he was super pooped, and I totally understand that, so I got the whole shop to myself. Just kidding. I just called Justin from Morfab Industries. He's actually ready for me to go and check out the Soarer for the first time with a full 3-inch straight piped custom crazy exhaust that he built, and I cannot wait. That car has been totally plugged up ever since I bought it, and I can finally hear what that car's supposed to sound like. So I'm stoked. I'm loading everything up in my car right now, and then we're gonna head over there, peep the car out, peep the work that he did. I'm so excited. He's been sending me pictures throughout this whole process, and he's got some talent. I'm very stoked. And just like that, we are at Justin's shop. Wish today wasn't so gross out. Going from Florida to this is not the most welcoming, but I'll take what I get. Hey, the man himself.
How was the trip?
Crazy. It was a lot of fun.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's
You enjoy the open house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was very good.
It was a ton of fun.
Yeah.
What do we have here? Holy crap. That looks so good.
Yeah,
I'm
that came out
so
nice.
pumped.
4-inch was definitely a good call.
Yeah. So Justin was at the open house as well, and had a blast. If you guys haven't checked out that video and all the videos of this car getting this exhaust done, I'll leave a link to Justin's channel in the description. But he's gonna lift the car up in the air, and we get to see what all of this looks like underneath. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. Every single angle and bend and everything is all done with pie cuts. This Y is probably the most impressive to me. This whole section is done with pie cuts and V-bands for adjustment as well. This is wild. So, how did it all go?
It actually went really well. One of the biggest things that I love symmetry.
Yeah.
So trying to make a symmetrical exhaust was like the #1 priority here, and I think I achieved it big time.
You nailed it. I mean, the thing is,
It's pretty symmetrical.
the thing is perfect all the way, and you also added just a slight little tilt outwards so that it kind of gives more of an aggressive look coming out of the back of it, which I love.
Yeah, it actually matches the angle of the lip as it goes through, and gives
Right.
it that little tilt. And you're right too, because that was one of the things you suggested to me was like, hey, tilt those out just a little bit, and it actually widens the stance of the car.
Right, it makes,
You know,
yeah.
it doesn't make it look so much like a tractor or a truck or something, whatever.
I know that all of you guys are here to see and hear the exhaust as well, so we're gonna lower it down and fire it up for the first time. Never have I heard this car other than stock, or other than with those 2 pipes that I put in a year ago. None of this I have not heard yet, so I'm very excited.
You're in for a surprise.
So
You're in for a big surprise.
I'm gonna leave Justin's Instagram right here as well if you guys want to give him a follow. He definitely deserves it. His work is phenomenal.
Incredible. But I don't know if you're ready for this.
Okay.
So
All right. So this is my reaction.
ready?
Let's see it. Holy crap, dude.
Told you you'd be surprised.
Wow, that sounds really good. my first opinion, it's pretty loud on cold start, but hopefully once the car's warmed up, it's gonna be a really smooth tone, and I can't wait. Even if it's that loud, I love it. This car's spent way too long being completely stock, so it was definitely time to open this thing up. Oh, come on. That's good. That is really good. Okay, and I gotta pull it outside and drive it around. We're kind of running out of daylight, so I wanna get it out here and give it some revs, but holy crap. It sounds so good.
Yeah, it does.
You're insane. I love it. So as you guys can see, the sun's kind of gone at this point and it's getting pretty dark. So we're gonna do this pretty quickly, just try and get out of the cold and shitty weather. I want to hear what this thing is at a couple red line revs. So Justin's just gonna give it a couple revs. Holy crap! Wow. Dude,
that's nuts. That sounds good.
That is amazing. I'm set. I'm set. I'm happy with that. I hope you guys are happy with this, because I am through the moon about it. Now that I did that, I just want to get a couple quick flybys. Like I said, it's a really shitty day out today, so we're just gonna do it quickly, and yeah. Oh my God. All right, so we just got back to the shop. Once again, huge shout out to Justin at Morfab Industries. He absolutely killed this exhaust setup.
I'm so glad you're happy with it.
It sounds phenomenal. And
does.
I know that in-camera audio can't really pick it up as well as real life, but I'm telling you firsthand, it sounds incredible. If you guys ever need any exhaust work in Connecticut, Northeast in general,
Yeah, hit me up. I got people
definitely.
who come from all over the place on the East Coast. So.
Yeah, definitely hit up
free.
Justin. You guys saw firsthand the amount of work that he can do, and you did it really pretty quickly as well.
Yeah, and I mean, something like that, if I was on it every day, it probably would have been a 2 or 3 day project.
Yeah.
But it took a week just because we went to the open house.
Right, all that stuff.
Had other stuff, other work, other customers, all that other happy stuff. So.
Yeah, no,
But-
I'm fully pleased with it. So, yeah, if you guys need work, definitely check out Justin. He kills it. All right, so this is my first time driving it. I'm just gonna get a couple clips of my reaction. I wish I could take this car home right now and just drive it some more. It's so weird. I was talking to Justin about it. It's so weird hearing this car actually have an exhaust tone to it. The longest time I always thought that this thing just sounded like a refrigerator, but the fact that it sounds like this now, these 1JZs, they sound so good opened up. It's incredible. Oh my God. I fucking love this thing. Oh my God, I already want it to be spring. It's not even snowing right now, it's raining, but it's cold and gross. I don't like it. Bring on spring. I want it. Much better. So, car's tucked away in Jimmy's shop for now, and RJ just got here. What's up, RJ?
Just got out of work.
How's it going?
Fantastic.
So, I want to get a reaction from you really quick.
Yes, do it.
Just because I don't think you've heard a straight piped one before.
Not in person.
So it's loud.
Good.
But it's good.
That's a mean cold start.
Yeah, super aggressive. I love it.
I was kind of nervous. I had to back up.
Yeah, I didn't
know what was gonna happen.
I didn't want to hurt you. I didn't want to hurt your ears.
It sounds really good though.
Yeah,
It sounds really good.
I'm pumped on it.
I dig it a lot. It sounds awesome.
All right, so I hope you guys are stoked on the new exhaust for the Soarer. It came out phenomenal. Justin killed it, and I cannot wait to do more stuff to this thing. I should be back down here pretty soon to be able to do some more stuff to this. It should be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that awesome stuff, and we will see you in the next video.